Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at what's called AFTO, which is a timer. So let's take a look at this. So you can see the countdown here. Just kind of hit escape. A couple things to notice. You can pause it right away and restart it right away. You can also come right over here and go down, go up. You can also use some keyboard shortcuts. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pause this right here and just show you a few things. So if you select right over in here, you can see there's a lot of shortcuts. So you can do everything with shortcuts. Right in here, you can adjust the timer with up arrow, down arrow, space enter to pause the timer. You want to open the duration input, you can do Shift I, and what that does is you can change it directly right in here. So if you want to change it to 50 minutes, you can quickly and easily do that. If you want it to be 9 minutes, go ahead and select the 9 and it goes to 9 minutes. Also, if you see the dialog here, if you go into the shortcuts, you're going to notice to open up the dialog is going to be the description. I'm sorry. You can just do Shift D. So if you do Shift D, it's going to hide it. You want to bring it back. You can bring it back right away. Really helpful to have right at your fingertips. You can also go into some other preferences here, which is available at Shift P. You can play sound when it goes over, when it ends. You can make the background flash. You can have bananas at the very end that kind of do that right there. When it's finished, what does it do? Does it not do anything? Or does it count up? Or does it restart the timer? The appearance, you can see all this right in here. And do you always want to show hours? Do you want to show minutes? Do you want to see the tips as you can see when you kind of hover over when it's not full screen? And then, if you have a few that you really like, you can share these links later on so you have it available for you, and you can include the timer's description, the duration, so on and so forth. So definitely something to check out, something that I will be utilizing in the classrooms in which I go in. Especially this, the dialogue is just great to have. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.